Words to know: penny, dime, nickel, box.
Juana collected old pennies, nickels, and dimes. Her collection has at least one of each kind of coin. Look at the picture. What does it show about Juana's collection?
Remember, this is her collection.
There are 3 kinds of coins that Juana is collecting. How many of each kind of coin does Juana have? Read and understand. What do you know? Juana has 10 coins in all, and 2 of the coins are pennies. How can you use counters to help solve this problem?
If you would like some counters, you may pause this video and grab them from our game area.
Use objects to show what you know. You can use different color counters to show how many of each coin there could be.
If you haven't stopped and gotten counters, make sure you pause the video. You need 10 coins, 2 of one color, and 2 of another color. But make sure you have no more than 10.
What do the 2 yellow counters in the box represent in the problem?
What is your for sure? What do you know? From what you know, what could the 2 yellow counters in the box represent? Is it the 2 pennies? The 2 fewer nickels than dimes? Or the 10 coins in all? There's only 2 things we know for sure: that there are 10 total coins, and that for sure there are at least 2 pennies. 2 fewer nickels than dimes, we're still figuring out. That is our variable or our unknown.
The 2 yellow counters in the box represent the 2 pennies in the collection.
This is how they represent 2 pennies.
Which information given in the problem is a clue and not an actual number of coins?
In other words, which information is your unsure or your variable?
The information that says 2 fewer nickels than dimes is a clue. What are you being asked to find?
Which is your unclear, your unsure or variable?
You need to find how many of each kind of coin are in the collection. Make a plan and solve the problem.
At this time, you need to pause the video, draw out a picture, or use those counters and take a picture with your iPad to show Mrs. Rogan. Get your sheet signed, Then come back to the video.
Plan and solve. Use reasoning to make conclusions. Juana has 2 pennies, so there are 8 nickels and dimes together.
8 plus 2 is 10. We need 10 coins in all. 10 minus 2 is 8. There are 8 coins that we still need to solve for.
Try different combinations of nickels and dimes.
Notice how the picture in the box changed. There is now blue and red chips. Do they still equal 10? How does it need to change?
Try 2 nickels and 4 dimes. Will this combination work? This combination will not work because 2 plus 2 plus 4 does not equal 10.
Instead, it equals 8. We're still missing 2 coins to equal 10.
Try 3 nickels and 5 dimes.
Notice for the red and blue coins, they added 1 more to each area. Similar to a guess and check, but they're making reasonable adjustments to their guess and check instead of just trying random numbers. Double check. Does all of these coins or counters in the box equal 10?
Since 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 10, this is correct.
So we have 2 pennies, 2 pennies, 2 pennies. We have 3 nickels and 5 dimes. We have 2 fewer nickels than dimes. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 is 2 fewer than 5. Altogether, this is 10 coins. This solves the problem.
There are 2 pennies, 3 nickels, and 5 dimes in Juana's collection. How can you check to make sure your solution is correct? Compare each number of coins you found with the clues. Make sure each number matches each clue. Two coins are pennies. 3 nickels is 2 fewer nickels than 5 dimes. Three nickels is 2 fewer nickels than 5 dimes. 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 10 coins in all. The number of coins and the clues in the problem match. So what does each color counter stand for?
Which are the pennies? Which are the nickels? And which are the dimes? How did they make 10?
The yellow counters stand for the pennies. The red counters stand for the nickels. The blue counters stand for the dimes. You can now use the problem-solving strategies, logical reasoning, and act it out to solve a problem.
If you would like to continue using your counters, you definitely can throughout the textbook and on your test. Your test is on Thursday.